I welcome you to this session of ISO 9001-2015, and today we are going to talk about clause number 7, support, and under this subclause number 7.1.1, resources general. So as usual, first of all, I'll read out the requirement to you as given in the standard. Clause number 7, under this 7.1 resources, and under resources 7.1.1 general, the organization shall determine and provide resources needed for the establishment, implementation, maintenance and continual improvement of the quality management system. The organization shall consider A. the capabilities and constraints on existing internal resources, and B. what needs to be obtained from the external providers. So that's all in this class. This is a small class pertaining to support and resources, and now let us discuss it in more detail in English. The organization is expected to determine and provide the resources. What kind of resources? Resources which are needed for establishing the quality management system, for implementing the quality management system, for maintaining it, and for the purpose of continual improvement. So for all these things, what resources are required is to be assessed by the organization. And normally, the responsibility for this goes to the divisional heads. So they determine what is required for implementation, maintenance, continual improvement of the quality management system and record it. We maintain a record and record this thing. So the organization has to consider what things are to be considered. The capabilities of and constraints on the existing internal resources. Every organization has got some existing internal resources. So the internal existing resources are supposed to be the whatever is existing within the organization. Those existing internal resources are supposed to be examined from the point of view of capabilities and constraints. What are the capabilities of the resources available within the organization, and what are the constraints which are imposed because of not having certain resources. So this needs to be examined by the divisional heads and recorded properly. So next is what needs to be obtained from the external providers. So the resources which are needed are examined, and then we consider what is not available with us. So whatever is not available with us, we need to take it from outside, from the external providers. So maybe we don't have a team of, say, for example, the tooling department. So we have to find out which particular organization can provide us the tooling. Or we don't have the transportation resources at our end. So we have to think of obtaining the transportation resources from outside. So whatever is not available within the organization, it can be maintenance or it can be any kind of service or tools or tackles or any other support which is necessary for providing the products and services needed by our customers. So if we are not having any particular resource, we have to identify those resources, write them down and review them. This has to be done by the divisional heads, and then arrive at what needs to be obtained from the external resources. External resources have all the possibilities available. They can provide us products and raw materials and the technology or tooling or manpower or whatever we need. So we have to examine in detail what is not available with us and then identify the sources which can provide us those things. So what needs to be obtained from external providers is supposed to be determined on the basis of what is not available with us. So this whole thing is supposed to be reviewed by the divisional heads and recorded properly. Once we are clear what needs to be obtained from the external providers, then we find out the suitable external providers and enter into a contract with them for supply of such resources which are not available with us. And then we have all the resources and we can continue with our operations as per the quality management system and produce the products and services which we can offer to our customers. So this is a small clause, and I hope you have understood the requirement fully and completely. But by chance, if there is anything which is not clear to you, please give your comment below this video so that I may explain to you once again and make it clear to you. And if you are liking my videos, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and also share my videos with your friends and colleagues who are working in the field of ISO, whether in your organization or outside your organization, so that they can also benefit from the explanations and the knowledge which is taking exchange between us. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that as and when I load my videos, the information regarding loading of the video will reach you without any delay, and you will be able to see my video without any kind of delay. So thank you very much, and we meet once again on next Sunday on class number 7.1.2 people as support required for carrying out the operations of our organization. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next Sunday.